Hello subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you on how to utilize your field area measurement. When you are on site, if you want to make use of field area measurement, there are several things you can do on this particular app. It's a very good app that you can use to carry out your survey exercise. On the interface, when you click on these icons here, we have normal. For the normal now, you can see the display of what it's showing. When you click on satellite, it's going to bring out this for you, and when you click on the terrain, it's going to bring out this for you. So particularly you can use your satellite so that you can see the satellite image on the screen. Now this is the location icon. When you click on the location icon, it's going to take you to the particular location where you are on site, and you can zoom in and zoom out. You can also utilize this plus and minus to zoom in and zoom out. Now when you click on this plus sign here for the pole now, this pole now, when you click on this pole that shows location, it's going to ask for the type of mode that you want, either GPS measurement, enter coordinates, and manual measurement. For the GPS measurement, when you click on GPS measurement, it's going to display the lat and length for any location you are. That's the lat and length for the location that is showing on the screen currently. And by make sure you have done picking the GPS measurement, you can just save it by clicking on this save icon, and you can give it title, description, even the image. You can screenshot, you can add image to it, and if you don't want to save it, you can click on the cancel and you click on yes. Now for area, when you click on area, we have two types of measurement under area. We have GPS, which is this. For the GPS, now you can see now this one says start measurement. Now this start measurement now, you can, it's very straightforward for you to be able to move. As soon as they are moving, the app is going to be moving with you and is going to be showing the directions, the lines of your movement. So you can use this particular app to monitor your movement, to monitor your distance, and to also pick coordinates while you are moving. The beauty of this app is that you can even use it in a places whereby you don't know the location. You can use it to move in the places whereby you import a data into it, maybe a KML file or a KMZ. When you import it into it, you can use it to determine a location of anywhere you are going. As soon as you import it into it, peradventure I'm going towards this divine baking place, and this is my current location, and I've imported the KMZ KML file. All I'll simply do is to click on I'll click on start measurement, and as soon as I click on start measurement, I'm going to be moving towards the place, and the app is going to be moving with me. You will see the movement. And another thing is that you can watch under this add point. When you click on add point, it's going to add any locations, any point that you want to add the location on your map to it. Is going to add it. I'll click on add point now. So I think I've clicked on two add points now. So you can see as I'm moving the app is moving, it's showing the location of my movement, how I'm moving towards the places that I'm going, until you get to that particular place before you click on them. Another beauty about this app is that you can utilize this particular app. You can use it to do navigation in a situation that you want to carry out a bathymetry survey. You can just do it. You can import your KML, KMZ file into it, and on water, when you want to do your measurements, you can just use it to navigate towards any places that you are going. And when you're done, you click on done. Now you can see the points. You can see the movement on the screen. You can see it. And as soon as I click on any of these points now, when I click on this place, it's going to bring out the lat and length for me. And you definitely know you can convert this lat and length to your projected coordinates. You can see these are the lat and length. And when I'm done, I'll just click on cancel and click on yes. And that is for what? That is for area under what GPS measurement, and area under manual measurement. When you click on area under manual measurement, this is it here. Now this is the location where I am now. Now when you click on this edge here, peradventure I want to do area measurement, I will click on this next icons. Maybe I'm not satisfied to the location is taking me to. All I'll simply do is to move out from that place. To change the location, you can undo from here. You can undo any location point. Maybe you want to move to the other location and the point where you clicked on before was not on it. All you simply need to do is to click on these red icons here. You click on that location, so it's going to bring out this red icons for you, and you click it, then you move to that location and you click on the next location that you want. Peradventure, this is the next location. You click on the next location, click on it. If you want to do adjustment, you just select it to do your proper adjustment. You can see, you click on it, and when you are done, you click on what? You click on save. You can see the perimeter and the area, and you can extract your data from here as well. And that is for what? That is for manual measurement. Now the next thing we have is distance. Now we have GPS measurement. You can do measurement for distance as well, just like we did for what? Just like we did measurement for area, we can do for distance as well. I'll click on what? I'll click on yes to cancel it. You know, the difference between the area and the distance is that the other time when I used the area measurement, it was bringing it in polygon, but for the distance measurement now, if I should click on distance measurement, it is not going to be on polygon this time around. So let me quickly show you that. When you click on start measurement now and I start moving, all what is going to request for me to do is to move, and as soon as I'm done moving, so I pick some points while moving. During the movement, like there I need some data, I need to know the coordinate of particular points. I'll just click on it. Then when I'm done, I'll click on done. Now you can see this is just a line measurement. It was not showing the green, just like the area measurement that was on polygon. So now you can also pick any information from this distance measurement as well. Now coming back to this place that says locations. Now you can use this app to search for any location. You don't know, maybe you need to know a particular location. All you simply need to do is to supply your coordinates. When you click on enter coordinates, now it's going to bring out lat and long, or degree, minute and seconds. So if you want it to be on lat and long, it's going to display, and if it's degree, minute and seconds that you want, it's going to display. When you input the data for your lat and long into the coordinates for your lat and long, when you input your lat and long and click on OK, it's going to direct you to that particular location of that lat and long. So I recommend you to use these plus icons and click on this location for any search that you might want to carry out using this app. Use the search locations and enter coordinates method to utilize the search. Now for you to import data into this app, all you simply need to do is to click on this map here and click on import. You can see now we have KML file, we have KMZ, we have shapefile. When you bring in these any files into it, the app is going to recognize it, and after you import it into it, you come to this group. You would have been saved with probably locations or names of the files that you import, and as soon as you click on the map itself, when you double click on any of the map that you import in, is going to display what is going to display under the map, and you can carry out any exercise that you might need to do with the app. I believe with this little explanation you are able to get one or two things in order for you to be able to utilize your field area measurement. And if you found this video helpful, do want to subscribe to my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.